Hi everyone and welcome to HAVOX. This week, guys, we won't post any tutorials and digests because we prepared something interesting for you.
Now we are on our team building. A lot of our teammates came here and we have a lot of different activities like air tube, air balloon and skydiving.
Also, you will see some of the interviews of our teammates and employees, and we prepared some interesting insights why we did this activity and why it's important to make team buildings.
This is really cool, so look this video till the end.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Hi everybody.
Hi guys.
Hello everyone.
My name is Stanislav Kalinin. I'm a CPO in HAVOX company and I'm responsible for all products, crypto processing, Web3 wallet. Now we are on team building with our team. Come and take part in our team. We are looking for good developers. We are looking for you. Please, if you are a great person and you want to take part in our company, send us a mail and we will find you.
My name is Kirill. I am a co-founder of HAVOX company. In our company, I am managing all financial processes. And today, I am 100% sure that it's super important because this helps us to unite. We'll have new emotions, new impressions. Today, you will see and share with us this amazing experience. Be with us.
Why we made it? Because our team is growing so fast and we would like to introduce them to each other and to rally our team. Why we choose that type of activity? Because we didn't want to make something standard and we would like to show our teammates how they can overcome their difficulties and their afraid in some creative way, and to show them how you can do that in real life, just basic activity of our startup.
We're making the main focus on active sports, ecology and cooperation between people. We hardly believe that these goals will help us to achieve all the heights that we expect for and help our team to become better and make our business bigger.
Almost all guys are nervous here, and it's okay. It's first skydive experience for all of them. Just want to tell you that I'm like a bird, just want to fly away. Good luck.
Hi, my name's John. I work for HAVOX. It's my first time going for a parachute jump right now. The whole team here is just excited. A few people are nervous, including me, I'm gonna be honest, but still, you know, it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience for some people. I hope it's not gonna be for me.
I'm an account manager working here for a year. This is the best team, best company in the world. Today I've jumped with a parachute and I'm glad that I'm alive. Thank you guys.
We spent 6 hours on the road to get here, and today we'll be skydiving with our whole team. Please wish us luck.
My name is Serge. I'm a sales manager at HAVOX Group, and this is my first jump. And I already stay in tune. Keep in touch, guys.
It's amazing. I'm really excited. It was over my head, it was over my mind. It was awesome. HAVEX to the life.
So guys, this is the end of our video. Hope that you enjoyed this one. Subscribe to our channel and all the social media. Love you all. Bye bye.